I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer money between Affirm and Klarna, follow these simple steps to get it done smoothly. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your balance and transfer options. Step 2. Check your balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Initiate a transfer. Look for the option to send money or make a transfer. This could be labeled as send money or transfer funds. Step 4. Enter Klarna details. Input your Klarna account information, including the email or phone number associated with your Klarna account. Double check this information to prevent errors. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transfer. Review the transfer details and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the transfer is successful. Remember, transfers may take a few minutes to process, so don't panic if it doesn't show up immediately. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble moving your funds. Happy transferring!